Hi, I'm in the adventure base camp. What the heck? There was someone with a forgotten desert, and she was an Arctic wolf. Weird. Doi. Okay, let's. I'm gonna play me Cosmo because it's pretty much the only adventure I could do, besides the Panda Portal and the Return of the Phantoms. So let's play Meet Cosmo. There it is. Oof. Normal. I don't like the hard ones. Go, 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 go. So no one can do anything for me. Does that make sense? I don't want anyone to do stuff. Just makes you feel like left out. Hurry up, planting trees thing. Ugh. Oh yeah, that was stupid. Find a talk to Cosmo. See, yeah. I might have to split this in 3:15, so it might be kind of long. Hurry up, where are you? Grr. I don't like this music. It's creepy. Grr. Hurry up. This takes forever. Groan. Groan. Oh, there he is down there. What a big waste of my time. This might get annoying. See, I use my mouse now. I used to use my arrow keys. Alright. Hey there, I am Cosmo, the Koala Alpha. Welcome to the special part of Jamal I like to call home. Those lousy phantoms made a mess of this land while I was gone. There are polluted plants and streams all over the place, and none of my crops are growing. Oh no, I sent out 2 koala explorers before I left. I hope the phantoms didn't get to them. Could you water the crops in my garden while I make sure the explorers are safe? Sure. Whatever your name is, Cosmo. I think he's like a gardener. Yeah, he's a gardener. 'Cause he has plants all over the place, and that's gardening. Doity. Who doesn't like gardening? Me. This game is fun, except every time I do an adventure, if it gets too boring, I just leave. But I like this adventure. It's not new, but I like this adventure. No, it's definitely not new. It's really old. Very, very old. 3. Now I'm gonna start using the arrow keys. It's just easier to click on the watering cans. Well, duh, of course it is. You have to do that. Except another way to do it is if you step in the middle of the garden patch, but I don't like doing that. I just like clicking on the paw print because it's much easier. Hurry up. Oh. Why did I just write that? Well, I'm the worst babysitter in the world, actually, no. Well, an animal jam, yes, of course, because I left a baby by itself on Animal Jam. Boo me. I know. Hurry up, go away. Thank you. It's magic. Why didn't I do this an hour ago? Find and talk to Cosmo. You near this boom tree. Thank you for watering my garden. Those crops look great. I'm afraid that's the only piece of good news I have, though. The Phantoms have captured the two koala explorers. They were exploring the caverns to see if they could find new ingredients for a new plant. Looks like up to just it's up to us to rescue them, and I've got just the thing to help us. This is a formula that will help the tree grow boom seeds. Boom seeds are special seeds that can help defeat the phantoms. Making boom seeds is a hard process that takes a lot of special ingredients. First, three ingredients in nectar are nectar, chomper seeds, and honey. I've got nectar and chomper seeds in my den. You can find honey in the beehive in my garden. Could you find those ingredients for me? Of course, Cosmo. I'll get the honey first. It's quickest. You have to wait forever when you do. Where is it? Oh, but the bees will sting me. No, it won't. They're in his den. I wish I had enough diamonds to buy the Crystal Palace. I don't care about Cosmo's den. I want the Crystal Palace. It has many rooms. It has hundreds and hundreds. Whatever. How do you say that? It Trumper seeds, then bring them to Cosmo. Oh, this is his cute little house. This is his cute little house. Hurry up. Thank you. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. Here there. Except at the end, I hope I do not get gems. I play AG Jump. I can get as much gems as I want on there. On AG Jump. How many of you have played that? You'll have to split this, probably. Unless if I can play it super fast, like a Speedo guy. Okay, if you ever watch Ben 10, and you see him transform into that Speedo guy, then, yeah, I could do it. But I only have 7 more minutes, which is kind of a lot, I guess. Sorry, I had to pause to count that. Thank you. I know we have nectar, fat person. Why did I just call him that? It's weird. I think the mushroom huts are gonna go out soon, so I think, I'm not for sure, I think it, guys. So, try and get one as fast as you can, but I think. Thinking. Okay, I'm not being mean right now, am I, guys? No, not at all. Hurry up, discovering facts and customize your den to socialize with friends and join the club. And Sir McGilbert. Grr. Hurry up. Grr. I will kill you. Kill is not a nice thing, so nope, never mind. This is taking forever. Thank you. Whatever. 4 fruits, what? Okay. What? Okay. Okay, the first vegetable. random pink vegetable. I saw this once in Animal Tumor 330, so I know it. It's radish. We weren't using it. Okay, leafy green vegetable. At first, when I was a non-member and I was first on here, I thought this was lettuce, but now I know it's cabbage. Ew. I hate cabbage. I don't like cabbage at all. It's gross. Ooh, yeah, I leveled up. What? Oh, I'm on level 3 now. Poop. Never mind. Nothing happened at all. Okay, fine. Yes, something happened. My back just started hurting, and I do not know how. Ugh. It's feeling better. Feeling better. You can make it, buddy. You can make it. It's working. It's working. There. It's worked. Orange vegetable. Have you played this movie Eagle yet? Head to the diamond shop to purchase the game today. Okay, that's nice. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, grabbing a carrot. It's easy. Everyone knows bunnies love carrots. See guys, I only have 3 more minutes, so I'll have to split this. Unless if I was a really fast person. Whatever. Wait, what did you say? Oh. I know that. I know that. I know that. I know that. Boom. You did it. Remember, you can use boom seeds on boulders that are blocking your path. Now we've got to save the 2 koala explorers. They were exploring the caverns, and I bet that's where they got captured. Let's go and see. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. Follow this path to the first cavern. I'm going to see if I can learn what the phantoms are up to. Be careful. You never know what nasty tricks the phantoms might pull. I'll just grab one more so I can have as much as I want. We'll have to make it past this guy. And I won't die now. I promise myself. Wow, he didn't see me. Hey, now I'll never get out. Because of these stupid guys. No, you don't see me. You don't see me. No, not that way. What am I yelling about? This is stupid. Here, die. No. Die right now. Get A in. Okay, good. I made it past that. Well, I have 1 more minute, so I'll have to split this. So, bye guys.